Hi, in this video, I'll explain how to use MRC, Machine Reading Comprehension, to answer to any unidentified questions from customers. So first, you need to upload documents that have the answers to the questions. So let's go to the FAQ tab here. FAQ menu, under there, you find the Documents tab. Click on the upload, then browse files, or you can drag and drop. Find that file, open it, download, and there it is. So the system is ready. From this moment, since it's on as a default, from this moment, whenever you have any unidentified questions from your customers, they cannot be answered from your existing FAQ database. The question will be here, will registered here automatically, and then the AI will look for answers from this document that you just uploaded for that question. So let's see how it works. To test this out, simply go to the dashboard, the home, and then click on the preview on your FAQ chat flow and start asking questions, something like, what is natural AI? Then, if the customer cannot find out the answer, the question they are looking for, they'll click none of the above. Then you see this message, and it will, and then this question, it should be already under the unidentified tab, like this. And at this moment, you can see that the AI already found out the answer for this question. It's a great draft for the answer. Natural language and processing. Yeah, it's an exact match. Let's try another one. Something like why is machine better than produced? Yes. Since there's no answer for this, you already see this message, and go to the FAQ unidentified. Here you see this unanswered question, and the system already found out a great draft for this question. Right? Yeah, it's an exact match. The document that I used, I simply just copied and pasted from the Wikipedia page for natural language processing, and the part for this question answer pair is right here. You see that the draft is actually great. You can use it right away. Thank you.